G'day everyone. Today we thought we'd talk to you about why to buy a Digger drive. Well, there's a number of reasons. We've got a proven design and a proven track record for delivering a great, reliable drive unit. The Digger drive has proven itself for many years now, 30 plus years of being that workhorse out in the industry, of knowing that every day it's going to get out there and get that job done for you. It's compact yet powerful. Our drives are built so that it's not taking up too much room on the truck. It's not too heavy for the host machine to lift up. It's built nice and compact, yet it still puts out great torque. So how do we get that compact? We've got a bell motor in here, a Digga Charlene bell motor that uses an integrated output housing at the bottom of the motor to be the input housing of the gearbox. That eliminates a component in there, allows us to get it down nice and short, and then you're not losing reach on your excavator to get over the top of it. So that also eliminates a leak point. It also allows direct contact from the sun gear into the hydraulic motor. It makes it more efficient. We also use a forged bottom end here, so it eliminates all the need to weld these components together. It's forged, they're machined in-house so that we then get it nice and compact and retain great strength in that bottom housing, where you're getting all that side loading and forces that get applied to it while drilling. So that shaft is then encased in there. It's a two-piece shaft. That shaft then is independent of the planet gears. So the forces that this shaft is seeing in side loading and all the rigours that it does when you're drilling that hole aren't getting transmitted up into your gear set. So those gear sets aren't seeing any of that side load force. They're allowed to just be doing their job in developing that output torque down through the shaft. So it floats independent of each other. Should something catastrophically go wrong and you apply too much force to this and your bearings go, you're only up for a small repair at the bottom end here. You're not having a catastrophic failure if your shaft and gear sets were one piece. That's going to be a horrendous breakdown, and you're going to be up for basically a new gearbox. So it's serviceable. It has a serviceable life. It's backed by great warranty on the gearbox and the motor. We've got innovative designs like the Halo system here. It's an alignment system that allows you to get those holes in nice and straight, utilise the labour elsewhere on the job site rather than someone having there being a spotter telling you to be straight up and down. So we've got cradle hitches. We've got hoses that come out the top. That allows you to stay nice and compact. You can get this size drive, you put it 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way to 7 and 8. You can get those down into a 300mm diameter hole. That gives you another extra bit of depth that you might need on your job without having to put extensions in there. Our hoods are all cut and made in-house, giving serviceable life in there. They come off, you can get into the drive. You've got oil change points here. So it's a very easy to use, easy to maintain drive unit. So we feel that sets us apart from everybody else. So if you want to check out more, look it up online, talk to the sales guys, and we'll go and have a look in the factory, how else it's made. G'day guys, we've popped on down to the factory just to have a look at some of the Digger product getting made. Did you know we make over 80% of our components right here in-house, under our 12,500 square metre facility. We have other facilities in New South Wales and Victoria, so you're guaranteed to get service and backup whenever you're buying that Digger product. We also taken our product overseas and we're manufacturing in the US and the UK. That's Australian knowledge servicing the world for attachments. So we support the local community with everything that we do, and if you need to know more about what Digger can do for you, check out our website or check out our YouTube channel and you'll see lots of great videos on what we can do